Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that your job has been replaced, not by another person, but by artificial intelligence. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. AI is already writing articles, answering customer calls, creating designs, and even driving vehicles. Experts predict that millions of jobs could be transformed or disappear entirely within the next few years. But which jobs are most at risk before 2030? And more importantly, could your job be one of them?
Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world. From the factory floor to the corporate office, this is the era of automation.
For centuries, technology has changed the way humans work. But what makes AI different is its speed. Previous machines replaced physical labor. AI is replacing mental labor. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in seconds. And companies around the world are racing to adopt AI because it reduces costs, increases productivity, and never needs a coffee break.
The 10 jobs most at risk. Number 10, data entry clerks. Modern systems can extract and process information faster and more accurately than humans.
AI-powered voice agents can now hold conversations that sound surprisingly human. Many companies are already replacing traditional telemarketing teams.
Number 8, cashiers. From self-checkout machines to cashierless stores, the retail industry is rapidly reducing the need for human cashiers.
AI chatbots are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They can answer thousands of customer questions simultaneously.
Number 6, AI can compare flights, hotels, reviews, and create complete travel plans within seconds. Number 5, AI image generators can create professional quality graphics, logos, and marketing materials in minutes. Simple articles, product descriptions, and routine content can now be generated almost instantly by AI tools. Simple articles, product descriptions, and routine content can now be generated almost instantly by AI tools. AI translation systems are becoming increasingly accurate, making basic translation work more automated than ever before.
Autonomous vehicles have the potential to transform transportation and logistics industries on a massive scale.
AI assistants can manage calendars, write emails, organize documents, and handle many administrative tasks automatically. But before we panic, history tells us something important. When the Industrial Revolution arrived, many jobs disappeared, yet entirely new industries and the real challenges.
But before we panic, history tells us something important. When the Industrial Revolution arrived, many jobs disappeared, yet entirely new industries and professions emerged. The same happened with computers and the internet. Technology destroys some jobs, but it also creates new opportunities. The real challenge is adaptation.
The world is changing fast, but with the right tools, anyone can become a creator. Collaboration is bridging the gap between human creativity and AI.
The question isn't whether AI will change the job market. The question is whether you're preparing for that change. Skills that will thrive in the AI era. White heavy checkmark AI literacy. White heavy checkmark prompt engineering. White heavy checkmark data analysis. White heavy checkmark digital marketing. White heavy checkmark video production. White heavy checkmark sales and communication. White heavy checkmark personal branding. White heavy checkmark leadership. White heavy checkmark critical thinking. White heavy checkmark creativity. Because here's the truth. AI won't replace people. People who know how to use AI will replace people who don't.
By 2030, the world of work could look completely different. Some jobs will disappear. Many jobs will evolve, and entirely new careers will emerge. The winners won't be the strongest or the smartest. They'll be the people who adapt the fastest. The future doesn't belong to AI. The future belongs to those who learn how to work with it. So tell me in the comments, do you think your job is AI-proof? They'll be the people who adapt the fastest. The future doesn't belong to AI. The future belongs to those who learn how to work with it. So tell me in the comments, do you think your job is AI-proof?